The third way of visualizing data in NVivo is through the use of what we call hierarchy charts. Now, I have already conducted reflexive thematic analysis or thematic analysis on my data, and I have these themes. I have the theme of self-perception, I have the theme of other people's perception, and I have the theme of ethnicity. These are the three themes that I had. There is a way I could visualize my data in hierarchy charts. For example, if I open the main theme of self-perception, we have a sub-theme of negative, and we have different codes here. If I want to draw a hierarchy chart from this, I can right click on the sub-theme, then go down there to visualize, then I will subsequently select what we call hierarchy chart of codes. I select hierarchy chart of codes. On the visualize, you'll see it down there, hierarchy chart of codes, and I click OK. So we have the first option, which they call a tree map. So if you like the tree map, you can export this, and we can already see very clearly that the code of temperamento takes up or was very prevalent compared to other codes such as loud, lazy, and demanding. And then we can come to now the sunburst, which I like to use. We can click at the center and we can see the representation of different codes. We can see there was a lot of words that were coded, or a lot of references that were made to the code of being temperamento, which takes up a very big area. So temperamento is very prevalent, or there are more references to temperamento compared to other codes. This doesn't mean that temperamento is a more important code than others. No, it means that there was more information related to the code of being temperamento. We can export this chart by pressing Ctrl+Shift+E, and let's look at that. And this is the hierarchy chart that we just made, and this is the third way of visualizing data in NVivo 14, which is through the use of hierarchy.